Hi friends, this is Bala here. I'm SEBI certified research analyst. I'm welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel. Again, I'm welcome to the new video. So that is what the double candlesticks reversal pattern, that is matching high are at Twizzler top. So last video we seen about Twizzler bottom. So now we are going to see about Twizzler top and how we are going to create a code on that. And where you can see there is a code for trading view. So Twizzler top, that is a bearish. So whenever that kind of candle forms, it will flat a code, right? So there is a Twizzler top which is forms at that. So when you take that daily, so when any stocks were forms at the top level, so we will getting notified by that indicator. Okay, so searching on the stock, it should not great, and where you see that there is a the top, but this was happening on the lowest level, but market is rally very big, right? So to find out that kind of pattern, and again here where you see that there is a twisted top which forms, but so now we are going to create on that in a charting.com, so that will give you such a easiest way to find out that kind of candlesticks pattern which is forms. So now simply the close of the latest or 1 day ago close should be, that the first candle should be the green, right? The 1 day ago close is greater than the close of 1 day ago, right? Sorry, open, not close. And this should be plotting a green candle. And now, so the latest low, we have to go low, latest low equals, that must be equal to the low of 1 day ago, right? That will plot you user bottom candles. So a lot of stocks. So where we are going to filter that in a futures, right? There is no future, and we must be save that one. And again, I'm going to take the high of the latest is equals to monthly high. So we simply filter out the kind of pattern which forms at the high of monthly. Go for a monthly, yes. Let's scan and we will first save the scan. Then only we can go for a or this called matching high. Let's go for summit. This is what a daily time frame we are going to focus, and where we go for a back test and few on 4th August we have Z Entertainment. Oh my god. So this is what a great trade opportunity on Zeal, because this month the stock is cracked big. You'll be able to see that from 4th of this month, 4th of, where it is, 4th August, big one, how it is filtered. Oh, sorry, we have to take high, not low, it is high. Sorry, but Zeal this month having big movement. What I'm expecting. The latest high equal to 1 day ago high. Now it changes, and we'll check it out now other stocks. So on 3rd August we find out the IDFC First Bank. Let's go for IDFC First Bank. What happened on the stock? See, this is IDFC First Bank. On the date exactly we got a 3rd August. Here be able to see that 52.10, and the next day also 52.10. That is what the reversal which is happened by 48.65 with a stop loss of 52.1, and it made low 40. So almost 8.5 rupees it fallen down from that level, but the previous trend should be up. Here the stock is keep on moving down, so there is not a good opportunity. Let's check any other stock recently forms, that is 17th August, that is M&M. Let's go for a M&M, how it is forms that kind of candle. Mahindra and Mahindra, yes, that is also mentioned here. Okay, that was forms at the monthly high. So where 804 with the 804 803.95 is the high, where it is broken below 779, we are going to be short, and it made a 760. And this day it is broken, the next day it fallen down very big, and now it is trading 775. Still it is in profit only, right? And again there is an opportunity where it is forms, but there was a not breakdown happen on that candle. Okay, so that was right, and we will ignore the stock which is trading below 100. So the latest close equal to number 100. So this will filter out those stocks which is trading below 100. So happen here, latest close equal to 100 greater than. So now it will filter. Got it? Some few stocks that is good enough to trade, right? Monthly, if you are getting a 10-15 stocks, all the candlesticks pattern if you are applying, so 10-15 stocks is good enough to trade in intraday as well as positional, not to follow 100-200 stocks. That based on the scanner, we can focus 1 or 2 stocks per a day trading. So that will give you such a great confidence and the profitability, right? So we will save the scan, submit, and now we will go for a 15 minutes. So again I am creating, I was taking a lot of times from you, so now I'll create it out simply and up. This is my last double candlesticks reversal pattern, where till so from that candle, so we are closing that double candle reversal pattern. Okay, so we are going to take latest, and the latest close should be greater than 100. This is what a 15 minutes time frame. And finally SRF today end of the day it may be forming, and initially we find out 1 o'clock today, that is Adani Enterprise and Metropolis. Let's go for Adani Enterprise on 15 minutes time frame. What will happen in Adani Enterprise? 1 o'clock, so where it is exactly 12:01. Adani Enterprise, right? Adani Enterprise around 1 o'clock. This one 15 and 15, so both are same high, where it is forms at exactly latest high, right? So from that point, so it reversed back, and another stock forms Metropolis, so that we can use for intraday also. And this one, could you see that there is a reversal, great reversal. Hope you got it. This may be another helpful video, so I will save it this again as a 15 minutes time frame. Save as 15 minutes, submit. Now we got user bottom and user top, right? Both at 15 minutes and daily. And this is the last candle where we are going to see the double candlesticks reversal pattern. And once it is happened, we are going to next move towards 3 candlesticks pattern that we are going to discuss on our next video. Until bye, and keep subscribing my channel, that may be helping to trade. So based on this scanner, we are going to plan a trade for our next day. And as our daily candlesticks pattern, so what are the stocks? This is a single candlesticks pattern at daily, so we don't get, say this one is not right, and we don't get any single candlestick reversal pattern except the Pfizer. So that is one forming a doji at bottom. Let's check on daily basis. So let's say doji at daily basis, and yes, got it. This is what a low, this monthly low, so where it is forms a doji, that was giving some market moves above that level, so we will watch for a buying opportunity, right? Then daily single candlesticks reversal pattern, only one stock we find out, that is Pfizer, so we will focus for it tomorrow. That's it about my today's video, and thanks for being with me, and thanks for watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you want to my paid lessons, you are also welcome to join with me. Thank you for watching this. Thank you very much.